Hello guys, this is KMR333 and today we're gonna be doing Warlock giveaway. It's gonna be one Warlock only. So we're gonna start off with my Warlock. This is gonna be a short video. Okay, so sorry I messed up yesterday, didn't film a video. And here we go. Last video. 3, 2, 1. So, yeah, thank you for watching my video, and subscribe. Thank you. And yeah, keep watching my videos and subscribe and keep tuning into my channel. So, thank you. And bye.